This morning's silencer is the Sirocco Sm11. Quite interesting. It's 6 3/4 inches long, about 170mm, inch and 1/8 wide, 28mm, and it weighs just over 5 ounces at around 150 grams. Nice solid aluminium outer tube. The end cap, as you can see, is slightly dished, and that forms part of the baffling system. The end cap is also another cone, and that screws into the tube, and it also has this locking ring to go on the end. Inside are 10 baffles, just simple cones, cone shape, hollow inside, and these quite neatly just stack into each other, and all 10 just fit something like that. I shall give this a try on my air rifle. I shall give 2 shots without the silencer, and then I shall give 2 shots with. Quite looking forward to this one. Let's see what happens. Webley FX 2000 177 4.5mm caliber. First of all, 2 shots without the silencers. A lot of people like these Siroccos on rimfires, even HMRs. I've heard quite a few good reports. Let's just see what it's like on an air rifle.